Hey, what's up, AMP coin holder? What's going on? Today video is very important for all AMP coin holder because my brother, in this video I have going to give something very special information, and also my friend I am going to predicate this coin. I will share my opinion, so everything is very important now. But please, if you are new my channel, just and only subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So AMP price will be going double now my friend in upcoming days, but this is possible my friend, just and only there is one chance my friend. This is just and only with one chance they will pumping up if a holder are starting investing, if a holder are starting holding. Otherwise AMP price will more fails down my friend. You can see here my friend, sometimes they will also fails down. You can see here this point and this point very badly fails down, but after this point also they will pump up, and after this point also they will pump up. I hope my friend. So therefore that's clear to after a dump every coin will pump, and after a dump every coin will pump, and after a pump every coin will dump. So every coin will moving in this circulation. So therefore I am 100% sure to in upcoming time my friend they will give you a profit. So thanks for watching. Please let's see, but holders don't do any mistake to be safe my friends from loss. All right, thank you so much AMP coin holder. Please, if you want to get a profit now, follow my advice and absolutely subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Hope you will earn a lot of money from crypto.